Can you install a metal roof over an existing shingle roof?
Metal roofs are designed to be installed over shingled roofs. However, you must make sure that all moisture-soaked shingles and jagged shingles have been removed and you're working with a flat surface. A synthetic membrane must also be installed over the entire roof before applying the metal roof. You must check with your local building codes to ensure that this type of procedure is allowed. As best practice, we do recommend to remove all old shingle roofing materials before applying a new metal roof.